it's funny because he sees it as this like rustic plane, and I'm just like, this is the future. Whoa. So after discovering this lounge, I am obsessed with this, and this is the life I want to live. So I'm just gonna get a bunch of credit cards and I'm gonna join all the freaking flying clubs. But like, I think it's a bit complicated to like keep track of how to do all these things and like to store all my passwords and everything. This is complicated. Do you have any advice of what I should do?
Well, you know what's so great, Linnea? This video is actually sponsored by Dashlane, which is a company that is perfect for this.
Really?
Yes, they offer an online suite where you can store all your passwords, your credit card numbers, your passport and ID information. And it's so great because, for example, when you're checking into a flight and it asks for your passport information, instead of needing to run and get your passport in case you forgot the expiration or maybe you forgot the passport number, you have it all in Dashlane, and it will even autofill that for you as well.
And Dan, I think I figured out why I really like this lounge. I think it's just because I don't feel stressful at all.
Well, you know what else makes life less stressful? Dashlane. Because first of all your passwords are safely stored, and they even check the security of your existing passwords to check if they have been compromised or hacked, or if someone has access to them. So you'll always know that your passwords to your most important accounts are safe. Also, Dashlane is trusted by 10 million users around the world in 150 countries. They have a bunch of free services, but right now they're offering you guys a free month of their premium service if you go to dashlane.com/nonstopden. If you do so, you'll be supporting me as always. You'll help me continue providing the most honest and unbiased reviews, since my sponsors can help me pay for these flights instead of the airline. But anyway, thank you so much for always supporting my sponsors and being supportive of me doing sponsorships. Once again, if you want to check Dashlane out, it's dashlane.com/nonstopden. What's up, travelers? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm very excited to be flying Air India's 747 again. We have a special guest back on my channel, Linnea, who you saw in my previous Air India video, the 777 economy class. And she's flying home with us today. And yes, we're wearing the same clothes because it's still the same day. This will be very exciting because 747 business class is what's lying ahead of me today. Linnea is going to be trying their economy class for you. So that will be exciting to see what it's like. Last time I was a little scared for my life. I smelled smoke, there were a lot of weird noises, and I was like, okay, this is a very old plane, and I would usually trust the 747, but it was just the circumstances last time where I was very sketched out, so I hope today we survive. Honestly though, I've had like quite good experiences with Air India so far. And we're in the lounge now, so I'm gonna add some clips after this of Linnea's reaction to her first time in an airline lounge. Just give them a little preview, like one word, what do you think?
I don't wanna leave.
Now let's jump straight into Linnea's first time in the lounge, and then we'll get to the flight. Mumbai airport is so beautiful. It's my first time here during daylight hours. I love it. So this will be Linnea's first time ever to the lounge.
Moritz, I feel so special. Yay!
We're about to begin Linnea's first time ever to a lounge. Here it is, the GVK lounge.
Oh my God, it's so I want to sit in all of the sofas. I wonder if this is like all the streets in Mumbai and they just made like a big installation.
Yeah,
I don't know. Ooh, it never ends.
It's a big lounge.
It's so big. And wait, they even have, so they had the little like thing you eat. No, this is rice. Okay, they made it like the Indian flag. That's really cool. Yay! Yeah. Oh, there's so much food.
So this is all free.
I'm only gonna eat cheese. Good cheese in forever. What is this life? Oh my God. Can I live here? Hello.
Welcome, man.
I'm about to have the meal of my life.
She literally took everything. Right, I got my plate of food here, some panang curry because they didn't have any dairy-free Indian food, and some roasted vegetables. And guys, don't forget to give this video. Okay, first reaction to thumbs up. Wait, it looks like Coke. Maybe it is.
This might be a ripoff.
And then you have to go.
Is it thumbs up or thumbs
Oh
down?
my god, you know what?
One more
Thumbs up, you know what it tastes like?
What is it?
It tastes like, do you remember those, like koala ice creams we had that were like...
Yeah.
It tastes like melted, kind of like Coke ice cream.
Or like Coke candy.
So good.
Right?
Yeah, exactly. It's
Nice.
so good.
You should use my promo code for 10% off water anywhere. Like from the sky, from the tap, and from your enemy's tears.
Hashtag sponsored. Well, as you guys know, I've been living in India for a few weeks now. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen my Instagram is the Nonstop Dan, if you aren't following me already. The purpose of these videos was just to see Linnea's reaction, as well as someone who hasn't flown Air India before. So I realized I never actually explained who Linnea is. She's my classmate. She's also from Sweden, so we bonded over that the first day of college, and we've just been talking about making a video like this for ages. Do you have anything you want to add?
No.
Oh, also, just as I said in the last video, she is a meme queen. We really love memes together, so if you want to make memes from this video or GIFs or anything, we will be obsessed. So any type of reactions or moods or like something funny, we want to see it. Hello, beauty. Why does Mumbai airport offer such good views of the terminal as well? Okay, so there's something cool I didn't tell you yet, which I selected a seat for you on the upper deck.
What?
So
Wait, there's
you're
two
gonna,
decks?
Yeah, you see? It's like 1.5 floors. So you're gonna get
One
sit
and,
on
one
the...
and a half?
Yeah.
What's the half floor?
No, it goes like this.
Oh.
So you'll see when we board, but you're gonna get sit on the top floor. So I'm gonna come up with you because I want to see it too.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it should be really cool.
I don't really understand why though, because like you're already so up in the air, so you're like, I want to be a bit higher up.
Yeah.
Even more. It's like,
So there's the upper floor where Linnea's gonna sit.
what is this place? Wait, are you serious?
What's your seat number?
17B.
That's here. Not today.
I feel like a real celebrity now. Oh my god, this is so weird. There's so much space in here. You can like dance, play football. Now what do we do? We can stand here.
It's real gold.
24K. I love it.
We should just try now. Put your seat into bed mode.
Ooh.
Here's the controls.
How do I use it?
You click the flat, and this seat won't be completely lie flat, but it should.
No.
Okay, you need to move up your seat.
No, that's not happening. I'm staying here.
Okay, that's the flattest it goes. That's lame.
What do you mean lame? This is more flat than my real bed.
It's 3 p.m. and it's time for pillow talk with Daniel and Linnea. This is a weird lie flat seat, you guys. The seat is like flat. Like it's flat, but it's so slanted.
Also, you like fall off.
Yeah.
What is this?
I'll take it, thank you. Do you want hot or cold towel?
Oh, cold.
I thought it was a snack. I was like, what is this like Indian snack? Like full of coconut. I was like,
This Air India towel smells like my future. Fresh and bright.
just some guava juice, you know.
Ooh.
Okay, oh, cheers.
Cheers.
This juice tastes like rich people.
I'm gonna give you a little tour of the seat, and maybe I'll, I don't know, this is not the most advanced seat, but maybe I'll teach Linnea something as well about the seat. So in here, in the armrest, we have our tray table, which obviously just pulls up. And then what's so great here by the windows is that we actually have storage lockers. So we can, did you hear Linnea's reaction? So you can put a lot of stuff in here. Then if we look forward, we have quite a big storage pocket here as well, with some much higher quality headphones than we had in economy earlier today. The entertainment system looks like it's been glued on, but I guess it's fine. We'll also check out the selection in a second. Yes, so cool. Oh, okay. And yeah, on this side we have our remote. You know, Linnea loves remotes. And a little reading light.
Ooh.
And what is this? Oh, an Ethernet cable. What? Why do we have an Ethernet cable? So this is, as I said, only my second time flying on the 747 upper deck, and it feels so cool to be up here. It's super cozy, and it just feels so private. What are you doing?
Me?
Yeah.
Oh no, so my glasses are Gucci, so I think they deserve to be on the golden pillow. Here.
Okay, so the flight is starting really well with the oxygen masks deploying by the emergency exit. Thoughts?
I'm scared.
Some random dude just sat down back there who wasn't here before. So our meals are served. Here are our meals. This is mine. I ordered dairy-free vegetarian. And I have some, oh, he explained what this was, but I kind of lost it. And Linnea's meal, she has, what do you have?
Yeah, so I have like chicken and then a sandwich and some brownie and some sweet that I don't know what it is.
Alright, awesome. Bon appetit. Okay, here's the aftermath of my food. Unfortunately, it wasn't great. The samosas were okay, the dessert was actually quite good, but these sandwiches, like, not the most creative thing. Linnea, what do you think about your meal? Have you tried everything now?
Okay, so my Indian dessert was also spicy, which was very surprising. My chicken, I think it's like tandoori chicken. It was like really barbecued, really good. Like that was the favorite. The sandwich, it's not like I didn't like it. I'm still eating. It's really good, really tasty. And this is, wait, I'll show you. It's like, it was melted. Now I just messed it up, but it was like melted at the bottom, which is like really nice and fancy.
But I love how with everything, I'm like, this is trash. I'm like throwing it away, and Linnea's like, this is amazing. So I guess it goes to show like when you're very jaded by stuff versus when everything is very new and impressive.
So I was planning on getting wasted, and this is a mocktail. What on earth is that?
Apparently Air India doesn't serve alcohol on domestic flights, so I was so awkward. I was like, because I wanted Linnea to try champagne or something in business class. Or I asked, what beverages do you have? And he's like, we have juices, tea, coffee, and I'm like,
Coconut water.
yeah, that was good. And I was like, do you have alcohol? And he was like, no, not on domestic flights. So I was like, okay. What did you think about this flight? It's been so short, and like, it's kind of weird that your first business class flight ever would be Air India's most like rustic, old 747.
Wait, do you mean it could be better than this?
Yes. It gets a lot better than this.
Oh my god. Do they also have golden pillows though?
No one else has golden pillows, so...
But honestly, that's the only thing that matters.
So Air India wins at business class, I guess.
Yeah?
Yeah, nothing
sure.
beats golden pillows.
I mean, my sample size is also 1, but for sure it's a winner.
Is there anything specifically that stuck out to you, or you were like really kind of surprised by, or like Anything that is very different to you here than in economy besides like just, yeah, I don't know.
Where do I start? Like, you can sit.
What do you mean you can sit?
No, like your legs fit.
Yeah.
You don't have a stranger sleeping on you.
Wait, really?
Are you a stranger to me?
After this
Shocking.
video, I am.
People treat you nicer, which is a bit weird.
I don't think too many of you will be flying Air India's 747 unless for historic research purposes, which is what we're doing, just to like try this piece of history before it goes away. Maybe that's not what Linnea's doing, but that's why I booked this. She's like, what is this plane?
It's funny because he sees it as this like rustic plane, and I'm just like, this is the future. Whoa! And I'm like, technology.
I don't think that in many ways Air India's economy class is relatively more impressive than their business class, like based on what you expect. But in any case, I still really recommend flying their 747 because it is a flying piece of history, and it's so fun just to be on this 28-year-old plane. It's like way older
what?
than us. Yeah.
It's good you didn't tell me this before I boarded this plane because I would have like freaked out.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you found this video fun. It was so much fun surprising Linnea with her first business class
It was really
flight.
fun being surprised too. So.
As I said earlier, I think Linnea deserves a thumbs up for being a good sport in all this. I think we're gonna vlog a bit more, so I'm not gonna say fly safe just yet. Lol, so it's getting so dark in here because we're going into really dark clouds. And it's just so sketchy to see the oxygen mask still hanging down. But Linnea, why are you wearing sunglasses if it's so dark?
My future is bright.
Also, this is really spooky.
When the entertainment system is a horror movie itself.
What is going on? It's so bad weather outside. Where is the airport? So Linnea is most sad about saying goodbye to the pillow. Hug it one last time. Okay, now you're like, I'm scared. Oh, wait, the door had, lol, so stressed, and then still this. We've been like taking photos for several minutes.
Time to make another recline.
Pro tip, row 18 is best on here because there's no neighbors. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Yes. Neha, what did you say about Hyderabad airport?
Oh, it's not stuffy in here at all.
Yeah. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed it, Linnea. Until we see you all next time.
Fly safe.